Into the previous class, we understood about the system software. Now we going to understand about the application software. Application software is a set of programs to carry out a specific task like word processor, spreadsheet, presentation tools, library management software, railway reservation, antivirus software. Generally, an application software can perform only one specific job and cannot be used for something else. So these all application software are used for a specific task, not for the every type of job. So that's why the application software is used, because the person have to use many type of operations, and these operations are easily performed with help of application software. Okay, now we understood we have some categories of application software. So we have many categories of application software: utility software, general purpose application software, application purpose, specific purpose application software, and developer tools. These are some categories of software. So you also note down these all categories. Clear? Now we going to understand about the utility software. What is its purpose and how it is useful. So utility. According to the name, utility software are used in computer to use our system efficiently and trouble free. Yeah? Like you all know about the utility software like compress utility, backup utility, disk defragmentations utility software. So we have many types of utility software. These all software are helpful us to operate our computer system efficiently and trouble free. Clear? So now you understand the utility software. So you will write the definitions. Utility software, additional software. You will write utility software are additional software to keep our computer system efficient and trouble free. Generally, these software come bundled with computer operating system, but we can also use utility software provided by other vendors. So you will note down only these highlighted text. What you will write? You will write utility software to keep our computer system efficient and trouble free. Generally, these software come bundled with the operating system software, but we can also use utility software provided by other vendors. So you also note down these examples. Only you will write the example. So we have different types of utility software like compression utility software, backup utility software, disk defragmentation software. So I think you all know what is the purpose of compression utility. So if you want to reduce the size of any file, so with help of compress utility you can easily compress the size of any program or files. So for which software? With help of compress utility software. Next software is a backup utility. Students, you only note down the name. Clear? So we have example of compress utility, backup utility, disk driver. Only you understand about it, not write in describe. Clear? So next is backup utility software. So backup utility, with the help of backup utility, we can backup our files, very important data, and easily time to time we able to store in any device. So that we can manage with help of backup utility software. So that's why the backup utility is also useful. Next is disk defragmentation utility software. With help of this utility software, actually what happened, when we store our data into the computer, so it split the files and all the data are stored in different memory space. So how we can properly store these, all are stored properly and sequentially with help of disk defragmentation. So it actually arrange the memory. Clear? So this is the, for example, you understand about this. Look, for example, we store our data into the cell. Clear? There is free memory in a between, there is free spaces are available. After the disk defragmentation, memory will be arranged according to this figure. So it will be done with help of disk defragmentations. So it arranged memory properly. Next example of this, next example of utility software, antivirus software, which help to detect virus into our system and remove from our system. So the antivirus is helpful. We have many types of text editor. With help of text editor, we can easily type any text and we can also develop different types of program. So these all are the what utility software. So you write the definition and also write the example. Only you write the example, not define the example about the example. Okay, students?